As a creative nerd, it's easy to think that spending money on certain gear will automatically make me a better filmmaker, content creator, YouTuber, whatever the heck you want to call me. But what if there's actually one camera we've all been neglecting to buy? The dash cam. Okay, so yeah, this video is sponsored by Vantrue, but don't click away because this is a new format I'm trying where I work with a company like Vantrue to showcase their product to you, and the money I get from these sponsored videos is gonna directly go to me paying off debt for my family. So hopefully you can rally behind that and just enjoy this video series, and yeah, maybe you'll learn something along the way and we can have some fun. And of course, I'm rocking black fancy attire because this series is all business. As with every good unboxing session, we have a little bit of bourbon here. Dash cam, rear to burn, 360 coverage. I'm actually gonna save this because I tend to ignore instructions and then regret it later. That looks nice. Little carrying case, that's good. Power vlog stick. Also, Vantrue sent me a 128 gigabyte card for this, which is very nice. Appreciate that, Vantrue. So today I'm investigating this E360 dash camera to see, does it just work well as a safety dash camera? And does it also work well maybe for some other creative things? So let's find out. Okay, let's see how easy this thing is to actually set up. The camera itself is good build quality, which is always nice. Come on, baby. We got green light, Rosie.
Give me the blue light, Rosie.
Testing, skibbity-goo. I mean, that setup took like less than 3 minutes. Clean that ish, like a good boy. This is an optional rear camera. Mileage statistics, what the heck, this is crazy. GPS. This building right here is a coffee shop, so I'm just gonna let this thing record, go through the drive-thru, put my big camera away so I don't look like a freak, and then I'll look at the footage later and see what it actually looks like. Do you guys by chance have those little protein chocolate balls today? Oh my gosh, those are so good. I'll do a cup of those, medium hot black coffee. Can I pay with Apple Pay by chance?
Yeah.
It makes me feel really fancy.
Honestly, yeah.
You know what I mean?
I get
It's like boom, money just came out of my wrist. Nice to see you again.
See you too.
See you later. Let's drive a little bit and test out a different frame rate or something. I switched the resolution setting to dual fisheye. One of the cameras is gonna be recording fisheye lens toward me, and the other one filming that way. When recording in fisheye plus fisheye mode, it records each camera as a separate video file so you can access either of them after your trip to find whatever footage you might need. Now the camera also has the ability to record audio, which I love, and it makes sense if you're trying to keep yourself safe as an Uber driver, taxi driver, truck driver. It's gonna be so nice to have audio recorded. I would recommend just do it anyway. Audio files are way smaller than video files anyway. But there's also another option that you can add audio noise reduction. I'm gonna test this out. So right now we have audio noise reduction turned on, and now audio noise reduction is turned off, so the camera's not adding any reduction. I think the case for recording audio is pretty obvious. If you're an Uber driver, truck driver, or somebody who's having interactions and conversations with strangers, having that safety and peace of mind of recording those audio files can save you. If somebody tries to screw you over in a transaction or something, or you just wanna retain the information from your trip, record the audio. And an underrated feature is it actually makes it really easy to watch yourself back singing Hillary Duff songs. All right, now we're in a 1944 by 1944 resolution. And now we're recording in 1440p. So basically what I'm learning is that this camera gives you a lot of options. If you need the most amount of storage and recording time possible, you can record in a lower resolution. Obviously it's not gonna look as sharp, but it looks like this and you'll get way more record time than if you're doing like the 5.2K 360 recording. Also, I think I'm gonna drive to a camera shop in Indianapolis because I've heard it's cool. All right, now we're recording in 1440p at 60 frames per second. So I guess if you want to do slow, now we're at 1440p by 1080p and 30 FPS. Just going lower and lower, baby. And now the lowest quality recording resolution you can do, 1080 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. And I decided to rock out to pass the time on my trip to Indianapolis. I'ma show him how to act. You and your beautiful soul.
But then something genuinely spooky happened, and I'm so glad I was recording.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? That guy is reversing on the interstate while I'm listening to Christmas metal music. That was freaking crazy. Anyway.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna test out the app function here. I'll scroll down, go to settings, Wi-Fi. Then if you go to info, it shows the network and the password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add device, element series, 360. Go to Wi-Fi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's sweet. I can see a preview. Stop recording and go to mileage statistics. I've already done one drive, so it says 46 miles. Average speed was 60. Maximum speed was almost 82, so pretty sick. It shows me altitude and everything. Driving time, rest time. It even gives you the coordinates of your start and end location, like to the specific degree. Okay, this is all the files I've recorded already. There's some photos. What a beast. Speaking of photos, let's go check out this camera shop. They had so much gear in here, but I resisted temptation. This place is actually awesome. Holy cow. These are so cool. Why were cameras so much cooler back then? Bro, I'm in heaven right now. This place has literally everything. Okay, I ended up renting a lens, but it was only $42 for a week. Pretty good. What's unique about the E360 is you can take it off the dash and use it as a daily camera. So let's test that. So this powers the camera through this selfie stick pole thing. So that's kind of cool. So you just take this little tripod mount, screw it into the base, and there's a little plug here on the bottom of the camera that you pop out. Then this 1/4-20 mount will screw into that. Oh, that's nice. You just rotate the entire pole to screw it in. That's actually really cool. I was just thinking I have to flip it like this to film selfie, but it has 2 cameras, so I don't have to do any of that stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at MLK Park here in Indianapolis. I think I found bathrooms, which I'm in desperate need of after that coffee. Screenshot for the thumbnail. Should look good, should look good. Now audio noise reduction is turned on. It's just a little bit of ambient noise, but we'll see if this sounds any better than the previous shot. On my way home, I'm gonna test out the optional rear camera for kicks and giggles. I plugged in the included USB-C cable and the additional camera angle just popped up on screen. As you can see, a second camera angle has appeared. And when you record with this additional backup camera, it just shows up as a separate video file as well, so you can access all of those files afterward.
The optional rear camera is awesome. Yes, you can kind of see out the back window in the 5.2K 360 mode, but having a dedicated rear camera is just so helpful.
I also decided to try to play basketball in my suit, but I was still recording in dual fisheye, so I should have switched to a regular resolution mode.
I'm a content creator now, guys. What do you think? Thinking about starting a second channel where I do physical challenges. Let me know if you're interested. Crap.
So if you're looking for a camera that provides protection on the road, peace of mind, but can also double as a fun little creative 360 camera or camera just to document little moments, then check out the Vantrue E360. All right, make sure to text me when you get home and send me your dash cam footage so I know you got home safely. Watch out for deer, and if you end up hitting one, please send me the footage of that as well. Join the Discord for some nerdy camera friends. Support on Patreon if you want to help me make more videos like this for you guys and more big video projects like my recent Apple Watch endeavors. Those have been so fun to make. You guys are loved way more than you might even know, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, God bless you guys. Oh, another one in the books.